5 powerful signs your frequency is rising and you're ready for a breakthrough. Sign number 1, you're receiving download after download. Visionary ideas are coming at you like a fire hose, and these aren't your run-of-the-mill ideas. They're incredible. You surprise yourself with how creative you've become. Sign number 2, manifestations are showing up fast. When you think of something you need, it shows up within hours. Sometimes you don't even have to even think about it or verbalize it. What this is telling you is that you're powerfully in sync with the universe, with the universal mind. It's a bit like DoorDash. It delivers fast. Sign number 3, ideas and implementation are moving really rapidly. Things are going very fast. You get the ideas and you take action quickly, but it isn't without its wobbles. Sign number 4, your vision's actually starting to feel a little bit scary and overwhelming. Maybe you've started to feel that anxiety rising within you, that knot in your stomach. You're definitely feeling that you're being stretched beyond what you feel you can accomplish. These are signs of old programs coming up, that rub of resistance that needs to be cleared before it pulls you back to safety. What's happening is your nervous system's protecting you from the unknown. It's a survival program that's locked in your cells, calling on you to stay safe and play it small. Or ancestral trauma and limiting beliefs encoded in your DNA that are whispering, I'm not enough, I'm not worthy, this isn't possible for me. Sign number 5, fear kicks in the moment momentum really starts to pick up. And when that momentum starts to build, it can get really scary. That's when the self-doubt, the overwhelm starts to kick in. You're already sensing that there's a part of you that's afraid that something bad's going to happen, the shoe's going to drop, that you'll have to maybe give up something you love in order to receive this new abundance. If I gain this, then I have to give up that. The bottom line is there's a deep-rooted subconscious belief kicking in. This cellular belief creates an energetic wobble that's sabotaging your success, so that when you're about to break through, maybe you just pull back. Here's the truth. You're receiving these downloads because you're ready. Your infinite self is calling you forward. But your body, your nervous system, it's still running on old programming, and this gap between the two is the very thing that's creating that energetic wobble. I've spent years mastering how to close that gap, how to rewire your body to match the frequency of your higher vision, so that you can start to move forward without the fear constantly pulling you back. Click the link around this video.